If you're looking to start YouTube automation on a brand new channel, here's a hack that you can do to almost immediately kickstart the growth of your channel with a brand new video. A hack that I'm talking about is driving external traffic to your brand new video on a brand new channel. So with that, it's nothing new, but I'm going to go into details of what people think it is and why people aren't really capitalizing on it just because they're all doing it wrong. But even so, the use of this strategy or hack is so powerful if you actually do it right. On a brand new channel, you can get instantly monetized within a month, I'd say, if done correctly. Instantly monetized within a month, brand new channel, first, I'd say video even. I've seen it work for other people, and I'm about to share you in detail what driving external traffic means to your brand new video. Traffic on YouTube, okay? A brand new channel is created. YouTube doesn't really know what type of audience wants to watch that brand new channel of yours just yet. When you start a brand new channel, it's very foreign to YouTube what type of content you're posting, and it's also foreign to YouTube what type of audience wants to watch your content. So that's what YouTube is trying to figure out. On a brand new channel and you start posting your very first video, YouTube is going to take some time to kind of test what type of audience wants to watch your video. Now, here's where driving external traffic can help with speeding up that process in which YouTube is trying to figure out what type of audiences watch your video. If you drive niche specific related traffic, external traffic to that video, you're basically feeding YouTube data, because these people that are arriving on YouTube, they most likely have a watch history, right? And YouTube knows what type of audience they are based on previous videos that they've watched. So if you can drive people to watch that video, YouTube is going to recognize that, hey, this type of audience likes watching that video. Now, what determines if someone whether or not likes watching your video? It's based on watch time. Number one, they click on your video and then they end up watching the entirety of your video. That's YouTube's interpretation of them saying, this audience likes watching this type of video. Based on the search history, based on how long people watch your video, you've now sped up that process of telling YouTube what type of audience members like watching your video. So now they can go out into the rest of YouTube and start bringing more traffic to watch your video and see if it's a hit or miss. And the people that they're bringing are similar audience members to the similar people that you've brought onto YouTube and had them watch your video. What does this mean for you? I'm gonna give you an example just to help explain it better. And if you watch this channel, you know that I'm a huge promoter of basketball. Let's pretend that I start a brand new channel in the basketball niche. So I post my very first basketball video. The question I should be asking myself is, where can I promote my basketball video in which people would genuinely want to watch this type of content? Where would I want to post that? It's not going to be my friends, it's not going to be my family members, it's not going to be stuff for subgroups, it's not just going to be on my Facebook timeline, just because that's not the specific niche of people that I want watching my video. Now, let's pretend that I'm able to promote my basketball video on a subreddit that posts basketball videos. So with that, I post my video onto that subreddit and people end up watching that video. Now people who is my ideal target audience, they end up watching that video and YouTube starts to recognize that. So they start promoting my video into the organic search traffic methods of YouTube, browse, suggested, search, to other people who are related to the audience of that subreddit. There comes a pivotal point in which you can do this very correctly or very wrongly. So what I mean by that is that if you promote your video on the wrong traffic sources, YouTube is going to start recommending the wrong people to your video, and ultimately YouTube is going to say, okay, maybe no one wants to watch this video, and then your video will die. But if you promote the right traffic to your video, let's say basketball fans watching my basketball video, then YouTube is going to start extracting other basketball fans that are organically on YouTube and start recommending them to watch my video. This is basically a double-edged sword because people have the wrong idea in which they just have to promote their video generically on their Facebook timeline or generically on a subreddit. But you have to be very careful on where you promote your video because you don't want the wrong audience members to watch your video. And again, I've seen this work extremely well in the following areas, because right now you're probably thinking, well, where can I promote my video? What has worked for me and what I've seen work for other people as well, the first place is niche related Facebook groups. If you can find niche related Facebook groups, in my example in basketball, and start promoting your videos there, that would be the ideal target audience, hopefully, of people who would want to watch my video. The second place that I recommend promoting your videos is subreddits. So subreddits have been extremely helpful promoting my videos as long as the audience is the right audience. Again, this is going to take some time and research to actually make sure that your video that you're promoting it's getting put in front of the right eyes that you want. Now, the third way to externally promote views onto your video is through community board posts. So I've seen community board posts be very effective, especially community board posts from channels that are very, very similar to your channel that you're running. I've seen them work extremely well at kickstarting videos growth, almost from 0 views to over 1 million views within a single month. And that's all because people are taking the initiative to drive external traffic that they know that type of audience would want to watch their video. So this is some next level steps that people who are starting brand new channels aren't doing. Now, yes, you can go the organic route of just posting videos and letting YouTube just basically test your video here and there. But again, this is to kickstart and grow your channel ASAP as fast as possible with a brand new channel and brand new video. So once you've got your video in the algorithm, you're going to want to watch this video next to see how to double down and expedite your growth.